A cyber attack targeting Matt Baker Imaging and Northwest Radiologists has compromised the sensitive data of more than 348,000 Washington residents. The breach occurred between January 20th and January 25th, but the public and the Washington State Attorney General weren't notified until July, raising serious concerns about transparency and compliance. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. The breach data includes names, addresses, social security numbers, driver's licenses, banking details, military ID numbers, health insurance information, and highly sensitive medical records. Matt Baker Imaging operates 6 locations in Whatcom County, offering services like MRIs, CT scans, ultrasounds, and mammograms, while Northwest Radiologists physicians are responsible for interpreting these medical images. After the attack, the company initially referred to the breach as a computer network disruption and posted a vague update on its website, which has since been removed. No visible indication of the breach remains on the site. Despite the scale of the incident, the company maintains there's no evidence of actual misuse of the data. That hasn't stopped legal action. A class action lawsuit filed on April 25th in Whatcom County Superior Court alleges that thousands of patients were put at risk due to negligence and inadequate cybersecurity. The complaint accuses the company of failing to meet state and federal data protection laws, stating that patients face ongoing harm, including anxiety, monetary losses, and emotional distress. Washington law mandates notification to the Attorney General within 30 days of identifying a breach affecting more than 500 residents. However, this timeline can be extended if releasing details would compromise an active investigation. It remains unclear why it took so long for the company to notify the public, and the Attorney General's office has yet to respond to questions about the delay. This isn't an isolated incident. DaVita, a national dialysis provider with locations in Bellingham, Ferndale, and Burlington, also reported a breach this year that affected over 13,000 Washingtonians. The Matt Baker Imaging case adds to growing concerns over cybersecurity practices in the healthcare sector, where outdated infrastructure and underinvestment continue to make sensitive systems prime targets for cybercriminals. And now a word from our sponsor. Get a Veeam-enabled Stonefly mini immutable air-gapped server plus gateway to the cloud starting at $999. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Subscribe for more cybersecurity news. Thank you for watching.